Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you might have completed your chapter 1 and you might have done all your exercises and the tasks that I have assigned to you. Today we are going to start chapter 2, that is healthy living. All of us agree that life is a precious gift of Allah and we have to take care of it. We have body as well as soul. As in a computer, there is a hardware, that is a parts of the computer that we can see, and there is a software, the programming, the part of computer that we can't see. Similarly, our body that has our physique, that is our hardware, and our soul, that is our software, as this has been discussed in your chapter. Now let us start the chapter. We have already discussed the pre-reading exercise as well as the objectives of the unit. So we are going to start the lesson, that is on page number 21. Now look at the first paragraph. Like machines, humans also have hardware and software which help us to exist in the world. The hardware is our physique, the way we appear to the world, and the software is our inner, the way we think and feel. Healthy living means maintaining healthy hardware and software. This healthy existence depends on what we provide to ourselves. Then there is a quotation also, that is of Tony Robbins. The human body is the best picture of the human soul. It means if we are providing good things to our body, then our soul will also be good. Similarly, vice versa, if our soul is good, our body will also be good. So we have to take care of both our body as well as soul. Now this was all about the first paragraph of the book. Now we concentrate on the healthy physical being. For this we need healthy food in the right quantity at the right time. For example, we should eat fruits, vegetables, dairy products like milk and butter, dry fruits, seeds, and meat, etc. in the right quantity. If we eat more food, then the result will be obesity or heart problems, diabetes, joint pains, etc. Because the extra food will convert into fat and that will be injurious for our health. On the contrary, if we are eating less food than is required, then the requirement of the body will not be completed and we may suffer from weight loss or anemia. Anemia means that our hemoglobin level or HB level, that will be less than required, than the standard. And the result will be that we will not be able to do our work properly. We will have less energy. So we should always try to take the balanced diet, the diet in which all the nutrients are there, as you might have read in your books of general science and home economics about the concept of balanced diet. Similarly, we have to take it in an appropriate amount, not less, not more, and we have to take that properly also. So this is important for our physical being. Now we come to paragraph number 2. It's on page number 21. Our body is kept healthy when we feed it with right kind of food from all the nutrient groups in the required proportion at the right time. So 2 or 3 things are important in this sentence. Number 1, food from all the nutrient groups in the required proportion at the same time at the right time. So we have to take care that our food contains the things from all the food groups, and the second thing is that we have to take it in the right proportion, not less, not more, and the third thing is that we have to take our diet on the right time. This means that there should be equal presence of fresh fruits, vegetables, dairy products, dry fruits, seeds, and meat, etc. Whereas the right proportion means the quantity of food according to the needs of the body. If a person takes in more food than required, the excess food is converted into fat that results in weight gain and disease like diabetes, heart problems, and joint pain. Eating too little and unbalanced food causes weight loss because the fat is used for energy and leads to disease like anemia. We have already discussed about anemia. Hence, the importance of a well-balanced diet is evident as it aims to provide nutrients essential for proper growth and functioning of the human body in adequate proportion. So, the importance of balanced diet cannot be denied. Then some guidelines are also given over here on page number 22. Choose whole instead processed food. Now, what's the meaning of that? Processed food means the food that has gone through certain process, and usually the preservatives are also added in that may not be good for health. For example, the juices that are available in bottles and in tins in the market, they are not good. Instead of that, we should try to take the fresh juices at home, and it's even better to take the fruits because they are full of fibers, which is not there in the juices. So we should take not the processed food but the food in its original form. Processed food usually have more sugar content. That may be people become addictive to these processed food, and ultimately they don't like the real food, the original food, which is good for health. When the processing of food that is done, many important essential vitamins are also lost. So instead of taking the processed food, we should also try to take the food in its original form. Say no to sugar and choose nuts instead. This is the second point. Sugar that is used in our homes for making desserts, for making different kinds of drinks, that is not good for health. Very less amount of sugar that is required by us in everyday life, but usually people take more sugar as is required, and the result may be diabetes and many other diseases. So avoid that. Avoid sugar. Instead of that, you can take the natural things. At the same time, we can take nuts, we can take fruits in its original form instead of sugar. Number 3 point is keep healthy food readily available. So try to take the healthy food instead of frozen food and such kind of things. We must be thankful to Allah that Allah has bestowed upon us a rich variety of food that is available in Pakistan. Pakistan is an agricultural country. So many kinds of fruits, vegetables, grains that are grown in Pakistan, and they are available in the markets easily. So use them instead of taking stores of all the things. And healthy food we can take that is readily available from the market. Balanced diet with right size proportion. This is also important. The concept of balanced diet should be clear in our minds, and how to take that in the right proportion. For example, the requirement of a child that is very different from a grown-up person. So we must know the requirements of young people as well as of adults and the children, so that we may take the food in the right proportion. And last but not least, this is a 30 minutes physical exercise daily. This is very important, especially in this modern age. People spend most of their time while sitting in front of their TV or their computers, playing games on computers instead of going outside and enjoying physical activity. So it is very important that for at least 30 minutes we should do regular exercise. Even we can do walk, we can play any game which may be liked by us. So physical activity, this is also very important. So this was all about the physical aspect of human life. How we have to take care of our diet, as well as we have to do the exercise, or how we have to take care of our physical being. So this is important that we should take balanced diet, means we have to select the items from all the groups of food. Number two, we should take them in the right proportion. Number three, that we should always take our food at the right time, at the proper time. And the next important point is that we should take the food in its original form instead of processed food. And then we should do some physical exercise also, so that the food may be digested and become the part of our body. So it is also advised that instead of taking the packed food that is available in the tuck shops, in the canteens, it's better that students should bring their own lunch boxes, having the food that is prepared at their homes, that will be more healthy, that will be more nutritive for them, instead of taking the food that is available in the canteens and tuck shops that may not be good for the proper health of the students. I think that's all for today's. Thank you.